Andy, keep looking for yours.
Here's yours.
Andy.
A bunny Rapunzel. Wow. A ballerina Tiana. Wow, a Madeline. Mommy, that's your favorite.
Yay!
Oh, a bunny Rapunzel. I'm back home. I'm back home. Mommy, can you cut this tag off?
Yeah.
You cut this tag off. Can you get it?
What else is in there?
Know what else I got? Bubbles. I got a bubble too. I'll show you. I'll show you my bubbles, Mommy. Easter egg. And a cute little bunny toy.
No, that's a chocolate bunny.
Here you go.
And a chocolate bunny. What kind of chocolate is it?
White chocolate.
Yay, white chocolate.
Hey, Gracie.
No.
Isn't this nice?